probably the biggest headline that you're going to hear about these regulations is going to focus on the detrimental side.
Okay.
And that's because something that we've used for 15 years, the Section 338 approach in Notice 2003-65, that is going to be eliminated. And that approach is very beneficial because what happens there is taxpayers do not have to sell their asset in order to get a benefit. They just use an economic recovery or a wasting asset approach to use those NOLs.
So it's almost a hypothetical calculation. Yeah.
Absolutely. It's hypothetical. It doesn't even go into the taxable income for income. So that will be eliminated. That was very beneficial. But on the flip side, they've clarified some things that we've had questions about for years. For instance, the Section 163J disallowed interest carry forward. That, they've said, is not a recognized built-in loss. And there's been question about that. And then also with COD, with cancellation of indebtedness income, there's more focus on excluded versus included COD and how that should be treated. So there are some areas that we did need some guidance, that they provided guidance that weren't there before, that are helpful in answering whether that is going to be helpful in increasing the 3-2 limitation or using up our NOLs, or whether it's not. And then I'll just say one area that has been questioned for quite a few years is if we have a dividend, if we have a corporation that has built-in gain and we pay a dividend, can we get benefit for that and use more NOLs?